All right, everybody. So I'm going to show you how to do those 4 basic folds for our project. You can also look up some other folds if you're interested in incorporating them, but I'm going to show you those 4 right now. So first, what you're going to do is have a piece of paper, and if you don't have a ruler, you can kind of cut or fold your paper to make squares. So you want to make sure it's even. So if you have a ruler, I would suggest doing like 3 by 3 for the most part, maybe a little smaller in some scenarios, maybe a little bigger in some scenarios. If you don't have a ruler and don't have scissors, you can also fold a piece of paper and rip it, and also fold the sides too, the 2 pieces you just made. If you have a scissors too, you can use scissors. This way we'll have 4 to work with right away. All right, that wasn't quite too even. Snip off the edge. Okay, now what you are going to do is make a square, because right now it's a rectangle. So how you do that is take a corner and pull it over to the edge so that it's lined up with the edge, but also the corner is lined up as well. And push it down flat. You can cut off the side piece. So now we have a square. This is a pretty good size. To do the kite, what you're going to do right away is just pull in this corner to the middle, and you're going to make the middle line up straight, just like we did before. So right there, you do the same thing over here. So pull that corner in, and line it up. All right, so I got my kite fold. That is the first one. So let's make the next one, which is that elongated kite. So I'm gonna make another square. All right. Now I'm going to make the same kite that I just made. So pulling in those corners into the middle and lining it up. Now I'm going to pull the corner again and line it up with the bottom points as much as I want. There you go. All right. So now I have the elongated kite. You want to kind of make the edges even. So you might need to go back in and readjust. So there's that elongated kite right there. If you want to, you could pull it even farther in. It's up to you. All right, so for the third fold, what you're going to do is get that square. You're going to open it up, lay it flat. Now you are going to fold it like this. So it's right in half. It's like this. And now you are going to pull the corners down and connect it to the bottom there. It kind of looks like a hat or something. That is the third one. And finally, let's make our fourth one. So again, making the square, lining it up nicely. All right. I got that. Now I have this diagonal line. I'm going to make another diagonal line, go in the other direction. So it's gonna make an X. Right there, I have a line and a line. What I'm going to do now, this is kind of the tricky part. You have to push in the edges so that you can lay it flat. So I'm gonna show it again. You have an X. You're gonna push in two of the sides and kind of flip those other sides down and lay it flat like this. Finally, you're going to pull one half of that side, pull it in, and lay it flat in the middle on both sides. There you are. We have our 4 folds right here. It's like this. Now you might want to do smaller papers too, but I'll talk about that in a little bit in the next parts of the video.